So at the last IPSN Global Partners Forum in Bangkok, we introduced the first investment portfolio. This investment portfolio is supported by the generous contributions of the Rockefeller Foundation, the Gates Foundation, and the Wellcome Trust, but we have added additional funders to the next round of this call, the next round of this fund. And the 10 projects are from 10 different countries across 5 different regions, covering different pathogens as well, and a broad variety of topics within pathogen genomic surveillance. I hope that during the poster sessions, you had a chance to catch up with some of the grantees that are here and that presented their projects as posters. But today we will hear from, they changed them, sorry. Today we will hear from 3 grantees that will present on these are projects that are closer to completion. So without further ado, I will introduce the first